We're in the King of Prussia Mall right now. The fire alarm just went off. They just silenced it right before I could turn the camera on. It's Nordstrom. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. They're trying to find like the problem that's why the alarm just went off.
I don't know.
Hold on, the strobes are... Yeah, and... Hold on a minute. Excuse me. This is voice evac, by the way, so all I heard were sirens. There were no boys. That's not good. Like how no one's doing anything. Hold on a minute. Sorry about that. Hold on. I think my mom, my sister, my brother, and Justice. Hold on. It's still going off. I don't know why, but as Dan Allen says, this only happened once while he was here. As you know, as some of you might know, he comes here a lot. So, hold on a minute. And it never happened to me until now, so. Mom, the fire alarm's going off.
In the mall?
Yeah.
We're supposed to evacuate?
I don't know. I'm texting Dan. I don't know. He was in the car the last time I saw him. Hold on, I'm gonna go find him. Sorry. My brother is in one of the cars. It's not really a good thing that it's going off. Public safety is trying to find what the problem is. But we were about to leave anyway. Gosh, I wish my camera would have turned on before the sirens had stopped. Alarms that we're about to visit are mechanical horns, but the ones that you saw before. We're visiting that one again. Excuse me. My gosh, I don't know what to do. Hold on a second. I'm looking for my brother. I don't know if we're supposed to evacuate, and I'm panicking, but I shouldn't be panicking. Let's see, Nordstrom. Are we supposed to evacuate?
I don't think so.
Alright.
Where's your brother?
I think he was in one of the cars down there. He was checking
That's
it.
how people get lost.
Yeah, I know. Q! What are we supposed to do? I went upstairs to, hold on. By the way, the alarm's alright, the fire alarm's going off and I don't know what to do, and I just went upstairs to check with Mom. Sorry I left you here.
Owen, the cars are so cool.
Alright, soon enough, oh gosh, that strobe isn't working. I'm making a video, by the way. Alright, so that strobe is not working, when it should be.
Can you give me a drink?
Since you could see.
Actually, no, I can buy this.
The candela isn't too high in here. Alarms in Nordstrom are not going off. I'm guessing that there was like smoke or something. You know, since this voice, sorry about that. Since this voice evacuated, they'll probably, oh my God. Oh, this thing. And they'll come over the voice back and say what to do. Sorry, I dropped it. Shivering. Because I don't know if it's a rarity for the fire alarms to go off here. But yeah, let me go get my brother. He's supposed to be with me before my mom got mad at me back in Justice. Oh, there they are. Hold on. Mom, is Hugh with you? Alright, the fire alarms are not going off in here. Mom, is Hugh with you?
Right outside of the table, right out there.
Alright. We're in Nordstrom right now, and the alarms are not going off. The ones in the mall are. So, I don't know what happened. That's just the store's security thing. Yeah, she's in there. Hold on a minute.
Did she see you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I haven't come over the speakers yet with...
Oh, and you have to check out this cool cat.
Hold on a minute, Hugh.
He's looking for you. Don't.
I know where she is. What's service corridor? God, this headphones. I don't know. They're trying to figure that out, okay? All we need... Dan says that it's a rarity, okay, for it to go off. So... Notice how everyone's acting like it's completely normal. But there's no audible signals except for the mechanical horns that were replaced, that replaced some things. But yeah, I don't really know what we're supposed to do. Where did my brother go? I don't know if we're supposed to get out or not. No, I'll film a part 2 if they say something over the speaker.